Today I will talk about how not to notify Facebook friends of our birthdays. I have watched some videos, but unfortunately those tricks will not work because Facebook still doesn't offer an option that will stop it from announcing our birthdays to friends. So what can we do now? Alright, we have a solution. We will turn off an option so that no one can post a birthday message to us on our profile page. It's quick and easy. Let's do it. Open your Facebook app and get ready to make some changes. Tap on the three lines icon in the top right corner. Next, tap on the gear icon to access your settings. Scroll down until you find Profile and Tagging option. And tap on the Profile and Tagging option. Here you will see who can post on your profile option. Currently it's set to friends. Let's change it. Tap on the option and set it to only me. And it's done. That's it. Now no one will be able to post on your profile, including birthday wishes. With this quick change, you have successfully turned off the option for friends to post on your profile. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.